Are you a person who will visit Berlin soon? Are you worried about traveling on Berlin's public transport? I'm here for you. Welcome back to another fantastic video on traveling on public transport in Berlin. In this today's video, we are going to have some fun traveling. If you don't have a clue what are the different types of transport we have in Berlin, I made another video for you. The link is in the upper right corner. Today, I'm planning to use all means of public transport in Berlin. Let's start our journey from Berlin HauptBahnhof or Berlin Central Stations to Kladow. Let's take a look at the zone map. Our starting point is Berlin HauptBahnhof. We will start our journey with RE or RB to Alexanderplatz. Then we will take a tram to S-Bahn Landsberger Allee. From there, we will switch to a Ringbahn line to S-Bahn Tempelhof. Then we will take a U-Bahn from Tempelhof to Stadtmitte. From Stadtmitte, we will take a bus to Potsdamer Platz. Then we will switch to another S-Bahn line towards Wannsee. Finally, we will take a ferry and float on the water to reach Kladow. I made this journey so long on purpose, just to travel around with different public transport. But you can always choose the shortest route to reach Kladow. For those who don't have an idea about this zone map, please watch my previous YouTube videos on Berlin's tariff zones and ticket system. Wonderful! Let's begin our journey. We are in Berlin HauptBahnhof. It's a stunning construction designed by the architect who developed Berlin Tegel Airport. It has 5 levels and 16 platforms. It may confuse you to find the right platforms as a first-time visitor, but it's very simple. Just follow the signs. Well, go to Google Maps, enter your source and destination, and then click the directions. Now choose the public transport, and you will have a lot of options to reach your destination. Now I had planned to take RE. Here you will see the train name, destination and timing. You don't see the platform details of RE until you book these trains. But still, you can find the information on the departure board. Let's go inside the central station and find the platform. On this board, we can see the same train and destination. The train will arrive on platform number 11. Great. Now let's find the platform. Just look at the sign. It says we need to go to this direction to reach platform number 11. Alright. Now we are in platform number 11. Check the display for arrival information, because sometimes the train might be delayed or it might be redirected to the other platforms. You can travel with RE Regional Express or RB Regional Bahn by taking DVG ticket, but ensure that you took the valid ticket. Mostly RE is faster than S-Bahn. It will stop only in few stations, whereas RB is similar to RE but it will stop on more stations. I boarded the train successfully. We have a display where you can see the upcoming stations and reach in time. The train is so clean and neat. I will step off in Alexanderplatz.
Nächste Station, Berlin Alexanderplatz. Next stop, Berlin Alexanderplatz. Ausstieg in Fahrtrichtung links. Exit to the left. Ausstieg.
Our next journey is to S-Bahn Berlin by tram. I'll drop you the tram route map in the description below. Also, you can search in the Google Maps. Just enter your destination S-Bahn Berlin and click on Directions. You will see a tram number and destination. Here in this display, you will see the tram number, name of the destination, and time of arrival. Now our tram is on time. Let's onboard. I like the Berlin trams because it's modern and spacious. You can see the display for upcoming stops. If you missed your stops, don't panic. Get down on the next stop and take the opposite tram. But make sure you have the right ticket because round trip is not allowed in one-way ticket. If you noticed, you will see two stops, Landsberger Halle and S-Bahn Landsberger Halle. We have to get down at S. Landsberger Halle. Pay attention to the stops, sometimes the names can be similar. Next, we will take Ringbahn from Landsberger Halle to Tempelhof. The most famous S-Bahn is Ringbahn.
Gleis 1, Einfahrt S41, Ringbahn, Vorsicht bei der Einfahrt.
Two Ringbahns, S41 and S42, circle around the city in opposite directions. The Ringbahn goes around the entire city in 1 hour. Now S-Bahn is arriving on time. A Ringbahn train will start from one station and it will cover 28 stations by running 37 km long, and it will end on same station.
Nächste Station Tempelhof. Übergang zur U-Bahn-Linie 6. Ausstieg links.
We reached our destination Tempelhof. Let's switch to next transit. Our next destination is Stadtmitte. We will switch to the U-Bahn line. Just follow the signs what we did in Central Station. Here we need to find the U-Bahn line. That's it. The public transport in Berlin is also accessible for physically challenged people. You will find elevators, lifts, and even signs in Braille. In all U-Bahn stations, you will have free Wi-Fi. U-Bahn is known as metro or subway trains, and U refers Untergrund, which means underground. Yes, most of the U-Bahns running in underground, especially in A zones. You can also take your dogs and bicycles in the public transport. If you travel with one-way tickets, you have to take the tickets for dog too. For bicycles, you always take a tickets, but foldable cycles are exceptional.
Stadtmitte. Übergang zur U2.
Cool. Now we are in Stadtmitte. Our next trip is by bus. I'm gonna follow the sign for bus which is displayed here. We need to go to Potsdamerplatz, so I'm gonna catch a bus number 200. You can also take a ticket from the bus driver. Make sure you have the enough change. The buses and S-Bahns are available in 24 hours. During the night, you will see the night buses, the bus number starts with N. If you want to get down, you have to press the stop button before the bus reaches your stop. Otherwise, the driver won't stop. You will find the stop buttons everywhere near the seat. Once you press the button, you can see the halt or stop text in the display. Yeah, we made it. Let's continue our journey. Next, we will go to Wannsee by S-Bahn, S1 line. Let's find the platform for Wannsee. If you see this display, you can see S-Bahn line, destination, number of compartments, and arrival time. Yes, these boxes are refers to compartments. One box refers to 2 compartments, so our train is totally as 8 compartments. And the bottom line is refers to platform. So this train will occupy entire length of the platform. S-Bahn is known as Stadtsnellbahn, which means City Rapid Railway. It's also run in underground, especially in city center.
Nächste Station Wannsee. Übergang zur S-Bahn-Linie 7 und zum Regionalverkehr. Fahrgäste nach Potsdam Hauptbahnhof steigen bitte hier um.
Passengers traveling to Potsdam main station, please change here.
Endstation. Bitte alle aussteigen.
Attention please. We are now approaching the last stop on the line. All passengers are requested to leave the train.
Ausstieg rechts.
Now we reached Wannsee. We are on our final journey. Let's fly. We will take a ferry from Wannsee to Kladow. Here, you will see lot of ships to cover one end to other. This gate B goes to Kladow, and sometimes you have to wait for 1 hour since this boat service is for every 1 hour from 6 am to 5 pm on weekdays and less frequency on weekend. Our ferry is coming now. Let's go to Kladow. You can also search on Google for ferry service. It will give you the exact timing. Do you know we have a small beach in Berlin? I'll make a separate video on that. Our journey finally ends in Kladow. Here you will have a nice beer garden and restaurants. Just spend some time here and chill out with your family or friends. Meanwhile, your ferry will return to Wannsee and come back again in an hour. Enjoy in Kladow and use the next ferry. Be aware the next service is available or not. And that's a wrap. Please encourage me with all your support by subscribing and hitting the like button. Tune in next time to see the iconic places in Berlin. Until then, bye from your Lakshman.